What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode I'm showing you a tour of the Monsoon Bassac Hotel. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find without sea. Make people live, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on the trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Okay, so we're just out front. Now this area is very close to Bassac Lane and BKK1 area in Phnom Penh. It's actually where I used to live, and it was very close to last night I had to play a show, so that's why I chose this location. So the front here is like a cafe on to the outside. Cafe, and looks like they have drinks and bar as well out here. It's kind of a nice deck with tables and chairs, and the other cool thing about this place I'm going to show you is there's a pool, and it's not even on the roof. It's like halfway up but still open to the outside, and my room has 2 balconies, so there's a lot to show you. Let's get in there. So now we're on the 7th floor, and there's no rooms on this floor. It's just a pool and a bar, and it's like they have a storage room back there they could have a party in maybe. Let's go check out the room, and then after that we'll grab the free breakfast. We'll see what kind of food they give you here in the morning. Beautiful wood piece here, and there's like a glowing light behind it here. And all the normal stuff. That's a little closet. There's a safe, a little fridge under here. Some stuff. There's water and coffee stuff. One cool thing is they've got a bathtub. You don't always get that. Okay, let's shut the lights up so you can see this lighting feature behind the bed. Okay, now let's get all the curtains open and you can see my balconies and the views. And take a look at that. What's cool, this is called like there's balcony rooms and there's like premium balcony room, and that's what this is. Because you get another balcony on the side, like right there, and you have to go around from the other side to get over there, so we'll go there next. And what's good about this is not only having 2, but the sun really shines on the first balcony for a lot of the day. It's not yet, actually the morning it's okay like right now, but in a couple hours it'll be the whole rest of the day the sun is roasting on that other balcony. So it's nice to have this one on the side, because then the sun doesn't hit it at the same angle. And you know, there's nice plants out here, and this cool wall thing is really nice. So and there's the window to like the bedroom there. It's got AC and a TV. I never watch TV though. Also, this second bed right here, it looks like it was brought in like extra. kind of like doesn't look like a really permanent frame. So I think that you can request like an extra bed, and I didn't do that, but that's good to know. All right, there's only one thing left to do. We got to get down there and try out the free breakfast that comes with this place. And I'm looking forward to a coffee too. I need one. Okay, back to the elevator to head down. We've got orange juice and coffee and tea. And I'm making a little toasted bread in there. Fruit, and they have rice and noodles here too. Okay, I thought it was such a nice day we could eat the breakfast outside here. So the way it works for breakfast, you have two options. You can do like yogurt and mueslix, or like eggs and eggs and the normal thing, eggs and bacon and stuff. And they have the option of ham or bacon or chicken sausage and grilled tomato. So I got bacon. So yeah, overall, you know what, I would stay here again. In Cambodia, you have to be sometimes a little more lenient or increase your patience a bit for mistakes, or they're slow, or things don't come out at the same time, and it doesn't solve anything to get all upset in their face. And it can be very frustrating when you've chosen a hotel that costs more and you're paying, bigger bucks, and then you don't get the service delivered. But you just have to stay relaxed and try to keep positive about it, because they're not doing it to you on purpose. If you just ask nicely, like I really wanted a coffee, and they give me this tiny little cup, and I want a big coffee, and then I get it, and it's like no milk, no sugar anywhere. And then by the time I walk up to them, they just think they don't even know I'm already mad. Just be pleasant and happy, even if it gets really frustrating, because that's not the end of the world. A little bit of milk in your coffee, and they're there to help you if you ask. Just be pleasant and ask for what you need. Monsoon Bassac Hotel. If you're ever in this area and you want a cool place to stay with a pool and lots of options for balconies, check it out. They've got deals during low season. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
Life is tall.